What's up guys, Tyler from Eds. Wanted to show you guys how to wirelessly connect wireless CarPlay for the AVIC W8400 and 8500. It's also going to work on the AVH W4400 and 4500 as well too. So I'm just going to plug in. I'm going to show you guys the plugged in method first. I'm going to plug it in. You're going to see it's going to say allow CarPlay with AVIC while locked. We're going to press allow. It's going to also ask you to enable wireless CarPlay. We're going to press allow. So as soon as I disconnect it, it's going to show that it's not there. If I go in here, or if you power cycle it, it'll do the same thing too. It should reconnect. And there it is, guys. Like I said, that's one way to do the registration or the pairing, is going to be through the wired. We're going to show you guys wireless now. Let me delete everything off my phone real quick. So right now we're going to start from scratch. I'm just going to pair the phone up. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to find the phone. I'm going to find the Bluetooth for it. I'm going to press pair. So that's going to be connected. From here it's going to say use CarPlay with the 8400. I'm going to press use CarPlay. Obviously there's no cord connected to it. It's going to take a second to connect over. You can also check to make sure the Wi-Fi is paired up. It is. Give it 1 second just to finish, and then we're going to be able to do wireless CarPlay again, not being plugged in. Cord down here. There you go, guys. Like I said, there's wireless CarPlay without using the cord. Two different ways to set it up. I prefer the plugged in method. It's going to make it a lot easier, much easier to work. But yeah, from here, like I said, you can actually go through, do whatever you need to do, go to your phone, whatever. It's all there. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, AE Southbay. Like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 310-542-5588. Thank you.